Are you looking for ways to grow back your edges, your bald spots, if you're suffering from alopecia, stunted growth, hair breakages, or anything related to hair growth? Then this simple recipe is going to change your life. After I did my big chop, I was struggling to grow my hair. I was experiencing a lot of hair breakages and hair shedding. But after discovering natural ingredients, learning the right way to use them, and also the right way to care for my hair, now my hair is growing much thicker and more beautiful. And I share all these tips right here on this channel, and this video is one of them. So make sure you're watching to the end. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you clicking on this video. There are so many videos out there that you could have watched, but I decided to stop by to watch this video. Thank you so much, and I can promise you you're going to learn a lot from today's video. One of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is black seeds. Black seeds is one of the powerful natural ingredients that you can ever find. It is really great when it comes to hair growth and also preventing hair loss. It also contains antimicrobial and antifungal properties that can treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and your families as well as on your social media platforms. Alright, so my next ingredient is mint. Mint, when added to your hair care routine, will stop hair thinning or hair loss and also help you grow back the hair that has already been lost. My next ingredient is green tea. Green tea is also great when it comes to treating your hair. It is going to stimulate your hair follicles and also prevent hair damage as well as skin damage. So it's going to treat your scalp to make your scalp very healthy. Also, using green tea frequently in your hair care routine will stop hair dryness, dandruff, as well as dry itchy scalp. It can also prevent hair shedding, hair thinning, and also help with hair regrowth. So in case you're losing any part of your hair or your hair is shedding a lot, you should add this tea to your hair care routine. So after having everything like so, it is time to put them in a mason jar, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. This treatment is so powerful. You just have to know the right way to use it, and you're going to get a lot of benefit from using it. Even after the first use, you're going to experience a whole lot of difference in your hair. But just make sure you are sticking around to watch all the detailed instructions that comes with this recipe. So do not skip any part of it. That way you do not miss any important information. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is to boil some water like so. Then after that, you're going to add the water into your mason jar. You're going to stir everything together so they are well mixed in. And there are a few tricks I'm going to show you that is going to make this recipe work even much better, as well as some ingredients that you need to add to this recipe to make it complete or even more potent. So make sure you're watching every part of this video. At this point, I've added the hot water to it. I'm going to give it a good stir. Then after that, I'm going to set it aside for about 10 minutes or till the water cools down. Then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. After you have your recipe cooled down like so, the next thing you're going to do is to strain it. Then after straining it, there's one more ingredient we're going to add to this recipe to even make it work much better. I'm also going to show you the best way to use this recipe to boost your hair growth, prevent dandruff, stop hair shedding, hair thinning, and also regrow back your bald spot. So make sure you're watching every part of it. And hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and your families as well as on your social media platforms, because you may not know who you'll be helping to grow their hair much faster or to solve their hair issues. And thank you for doing all that. And look at how beautiful my tea is already looking. And guys, it smells amazing. The smell is out of this world. You really need to give this a try. You will love it after the first use. So the next thing I'm going to add to this is my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil comes in different packages. It could be in a bottle or in a capsule like so. All I need is just one capsule and it's going to go a long way. You can feel free to use about 2 or 3 if you're experiencing a lot of hair shedding. So all I do is to add my vitamin E oil into my recipe. Then I'm going to give it a good stir. And I'm going to show you the best way to use this recipe in order to boost your hair growth and also to solve your hair problems. Alright, so after having in your spray bottle like so, there are so many ways you can use this. You can use this to rehydrate your hair or to moisturize your hair every other day. Just spray it on your scalp, on your hair strands and leave it in. But do not forget to moisturize your hair after each use. You can also use this as your hair rinse. That is, on your wash days, after washing your hair and applying your conditioner, you're going to use this as the last rinse. And after that, you're just going to apply your leave-in conditioner and your hair moisturizer. Being consistent with this recipe is the only way you're going to see results. So make sure you're really consistent with it. And do not forget to moisturize your hair after each use. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to see you next time.